welcome back to A Gato Getaway, my channel where I talk about all fashion, J-fashion, and general fun with fashion. I've got another haul video for you guys today. This is again another Black-owned business. This time they're based in New York City. This is not a sponsored video. I just want to say that now because I always forget to say it at the very beginning. But I think at the end of May, I'm gonna check I got my sheet right here. Yeah, at the end of May, I discovered this brand who I'd seen before in passing. They used to go by the name of Unri Designs, and they are now known as PlusHii Kawaii, and that's P-L-U-S-H. There are two H's. I'll put it down in the bottom. They have an Etsy shop that they run themselves. They're independent, like sole proprietorship. Just one person makes everything, and they do a bunch of really cute like Fairy K, Decora, Manhattan, and Lolita style garments. They focus on plus size items and general accessories as well. So I'm very excited to finally own some pieces from them. I've known them in passing for a few different years, and since making the purchase I actually befriended the designer, and it's always great getting a chance to talk with other independent artists, and I have so many of them in my circle now, and I love supporting small indie designers. So here I have my haul video. My haul. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. First I'm going to start with the accessories. I ordered a few small things and some bangles. I ended up doing like three different orders from them, and she just combined them all into a single package. So it's nice that they package them in these like little foam makeshift packets. Yeah, they're little envelopes. Let's see. Okay. One of these is from the original order, and then one of these is from these ones were add-on. Let's see what's in the other. I'm going to show you guys what everything is. I just want to pull out, and I'm going to start with the stuff that was from the Etsy, and then I will do the other add-on stuff. Okay, yeah, all of this is from the Etsy. These two are the add-ons. Okay. So, first things first. I have here, they're all packaged so nicely. So inside of the like protective foam bag thing, they're all also wrapped in bubble wrap. I know my package took a little while to prepare because some of these items were made to order. So this is one of them, I believe. This is a giant macaron necklace. See how cute that is. It looks like the strawberries are just half strawberries. It's not a full round one. You can see that it's flat on the back right here. And these are really cute. I think that the macarons themselves are all hand sculpted, and then the whipping is done by hand as well. It's very cute. It's got a good weight to it. I believe that this one is the old style. There's also a new one as well. I got this as a gift for a friend, so hopefully they don't see this video before I get it to them. But it's just pearls, and there is no clasp, but it is large enough to just slip over your head, so I like that. I mean, it looks like it'll be really sturdy. I like the way that it's made. Okay, so next item. Put that there. This next item, I believe, is a hair clip. This one was one of the ready-to-ship items, but again, they do a lot of hand sculpting. This is resin, and then it's a little moon hair clip. It's got all of this like drippy moon parts are done like individually, each unique, and it's got an acrylic bat charm on there, and then sprinkles. Very cute, and it's just got a big alligator clip on the back, so it'll be super easy to wear. These type of alligator clips work great with my hair. That's what these guys are on. So, very cute. Very creepy cute. I like that. This one is also a gift for a friend. This next one, again, were made to order, so it took a minute. They call this the Macaron Ring. It just looks like a bat cookie to me. And it's got like, it's a cookie sandwich, which I guess is why it's a macaron, but that print design on the front just makes me think of like a shortbread cookie. It is so cute and pastel and adorable. Again, that very kind of creepy cute kind of pastel goth aesthetic. And it's on a nice ring base, which is probably about a size 6 right now. It's adjustable so that I can just like pull on it to make it larger. My ring finger is like a size 8-ish. I have fat little fingers. But it's super cute, looks really well made. Got a little whip icing. There are fireworks happening outside. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but I can. Next, I got several bangles. I am absolutely in love with the Angelic Pretty style acrylic bangles, and I've been trying to get more of the resin ones that are that size, that style, and what I got was a B grade one and a standard grade, like a regular A grade one. So, let me see if I can see what the names of these are. So, this B grade one is called Galaxy, which is a dark bangle with, you know, just soft, cool tone sprinkles inside of it. Oh, I don't know if you guys can see, it's on this side. Look at that holographic glitter that's right there. That is so cool. More fireworks. Oh, and that fits nice. Ooh, I like that. It doesn't feel like it's gonna fall off, but it slips on easily. And it's light, but it also feels chunky. I like that. So this next one is called Unicorn Party. It's got little unicorn sprinkles in there. That's what these little white guys are. And then it's just like clear resin, as opposed to this one, which is black resin. It's clear resin with all sorts of cool tone, bright sprinkles. Oh, the pink guys. There's also pink unicorns in here. This is so nice. So, like, the difference between these two, this one has a very matte finish. I don't know that it was, like, coated with a UV resin at all. Sometimes, I know one of my girlfriends who does resin work will do a clear coat to help clean up and make that less matte, more shiny. I see also a few air bubbles in this one. And this one, there are still a few air bubbles on it, but then when you're hand casting resin without a vacuum air pack, it's really hard to avoid that. But all in all, it's really nice. I'm happy with that. So these are the two simple ones. I think that this guy was only like $10 and this one was only $15, which is such a good price for nice decora style bangles. I feel like the unicorn one might be a little bit larger, but it could just be where it's sitting on my wrist. Yeah, it's just where it was sitting on my wrist. Okay, next thing. These are a sample product. Both of these, they are planning on putting into the shop soon. So, no reason to be too jealous because I have them and you don't. I just have, like, these were one of the first, like, test runs that they did, and they haven't just put them on the shop yet. But, oh, I'm so excited. Oh, okay, okay. I almost dropped them, but I didn't. Okay, okay. Oh, okay. So exciting. Okay. Wow. Wow. So these ones are on like a multi-tone mixed batch of resin. And this one is a little bit larger. I'm going to take off one of these because these two were about the same size. Yeah, and this one's the same size as the other two. So this one's a little bit thinner. These other two are the same thickness, and this one's the same thickness as the other two. But so this one, it says Dream on it, and it's got a little melty moon and cute little wings. These are the style of bangles that I am absolutely obsessed with and that I've been looking for all over. So I just jumped on the opportunity to grab these. I do not remember what I paid for them, but it doesn't matter because they're beautiful and amazing. Oh, look at this. Look at this. That combo right there. So good. And then this other one, it says effing magical. And they're like little cute cookie letters. And this cute little unicorn. Oh, so good. So good. Just put them all on one arm. You see how that is so nice. So nice. I love them. Oh, I'm dying. Dying over here. I believe that the findings on this one, this is a resin gem. These guys are acrylic. I've never seen these little letters before. I love them so much. I'm curious as to how this guy fits. He's a little large, so I think I'm gonna have to wear him where they're like stacked like this. Maybe I'll even just like wear these two together all the time. They slide on really easy and they stay there. And they're a good weight. I'm happy. I'm happy. I like how those three look together. So cute. I'm in love. Okay, so that's it for the accessories. Then the next thing I got, so these two with the lettering, I bought those separately because I was talking to the designer and I was telling her that like I was looking for bangles with like details on them, and that was when she shared a photo of these with me and I was like that one and that one, and then I'm coming back for these guys. This right here was part of the Etsy order. This was a sample item, but they do have them up for regular order as well. I don't know what the difference was between the sample and the finished ones. I can only assume that I think this was used in a fashion show. It's supposed to be a plus size crop top, but me being both 5 feet tall and like a US 12-14, I think this is definitely made for a larger size than I am, and it's gonna swim on me. Like I'm gonna swim in it, but not too much. It'll just be like a loose fitted normal size top. So it says goodbye, and it's got this, I believe that these are an original illustration that Terry Ann, the designer, did. You've got the little moon, which inspired this hair clip. You can see. And then Terry Ann also does rosettes that are inspired by this design. It's so cute. And then, of course, I love that it's rainbow. If you guys haven't noticed, I'm here for the rainbow aesthetic. My wall is a rainbow of prints. So I'm really excited to make an outfit for this. I'm going to use it in my 30 Days of Pride, which is happening on my Instagram. If you guys don't know, follow me on Instagram. Check that out. Okay, one last thing before I start with the shameless self-promotion. So this was another item that was purchased separately and then was thrown into the pile, and this was another thing that held up getting my package shipped because these had to be finished. I was talking again to the designer because I've been talking to them a lot this past month, and they had talked about how they had planned on doing a pair of faux leather stockings, and I was like, I need a pair. So they're just like long tubes. She recommends that you wear the seam on your inner thigh, and these are gonna be like how the Sock Dream socks fit me, I think, where they're just gonna go all the way up my leg. But I think I can also roll down this hem and just wear it like that if I need to. But I am excited to try these on. I have a really cool outfit planned for a look. They do have a good amount of stretch to them. because I was worried they were going to be oversized on me because they were pre-cut when I purchased them, but I think I'll be fine. Alright. And so that's it. You can see that, like, keep saying that word. You can see that the designer does a really wide range of styles and sizes he gave. I'm low-key testing these. He just fell off. So I think that they need, for me, they need to be sitting just above my wrist. So I think when I wear this one, I'm going to put a scrunchie. Let's grab that real quick. I'm going to put like a big scrunchie so that he stays in place. Everything in my life has male pronouns for some reason. And that'll just keep him from falling off. And then I like that I can bring more color into that. Oh, I'm so excited to give these guys like a serious wear test, and I'll get back to you guys on how they go. First impressions though, I am in love, and I cannot wait to get more stuff from PlusHii Kawaii. Super cute. Super cute. These bangles. Okay, I'm gonna stop rambling. Thank you guys for joining me today. I hope you enjoy all of the cool, fun things that I am highlighting here. Leave a comment below if you would like me to highlight another independent designer. I can either do a haul video or I can showcase stuff that I already have, because I do have a very large collection of J Fashion stuff that I've collected for the past many years. You have coming up, I'm planning a Moss Badger showcase as well. I have several of their dresses. And yeah, leave a comment below if you guys have somebody specific you'd like me to look at. Have a great day. Be sure to check out my other videos. They'll probably be over here. And if you like this content and want to see more like it, be sure to subscribe and hit that little bell button so you get the notification when new stuff comes up. Have a great day. Bye.